Hey, so I'm gonna show y'all how I make guacamole.
Showtime. As we everything. Oh, you fancy, huh?
Thing big in my hell, hey girl, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches, hey, know you with they friends, when you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nails done, hair done, everything big. R-T-O girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches, hey, know you with they friends, when you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nail done, hair done, nail done, hair.
Hey, so I'm gonna show y'all how I make guacamole.
All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get started. So first I got me 3 ripe avocados that were ready to be cut open. Then I went ahead and scooped all of them out, scooped the pit out too, because honey, we don't need that. Then I went ahead and got my little utensil right here because we about to mash them up. We about to mash them up real good because we don't want no chunks up in our guacamole. All right, so then I got me some lemon juice just to cut down on that oxidation, because you know how avocados and guacamole, you get a little brown. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and add some seasoning to it. I got pepper, some garlic powder, some garlic salt I added up in there. You can add your own, you know, do what you want to do to make it taste better. Okay, all right, then go ahead and stir it up. Then this is the fun part, y'all, the pico de gallo. I love this. Go ahead and stir that up too. Stir. Honey, this is about to be real good. And there you go. There you have it. You got your guacamole, honey. Look at it. It looks so pretty. And go ahead and grab y'all some chips, honey. Grab you some chips. Eat it. Let's see how it tastes. Tastes good too. Honey, I did that. Look at me. Me and my guacamole.